Hi, so the goal of this video is to give a tour of the Google Classroom and to see where all the assignments are as you work through this course. So when you first sign into Google Classroom, and I think everyone should be pretty familiar with Google Classroom, all of your classes should use Google Classroom. And you go to your class, let's say this is your class, Physics Block 1. Let's check this one out. So any announcements that I'll make will be right here on the Google Classroom stream. Honestly, I won't make a lot of announcements. Most of the things that I'll be posting will be under classwork because that's where I think I can keep things the most organized. So if you go to classwork, this is where I try to keep everything organized here. There might be a few announcements or a few important documents here at the top. For example, a while ago, I asked you to kind of give me your feedback on Modern Classroom and how well is it working for you and some things that you might want to see changed. Also, here is a Modern Classroom frequently asked questions, so make sure you check that out. Many people have asked the same questions in the beginning of this Modern Classroom strategy, and I try to compile them and make an easy to follow document right here. Then other than that, any of your assignments will be here going from oldest down to newest. So our first lesson was on Modern Classroom. What is a Modern Classroom? When you look at the assignments, they'll have a number here, and then it'll have the title. It also will tell you if it's a must do, a should do, or an aspire to do. And then it gives you the suggested due date. All right, that's how it is for every assignment all the way down this page. All right, remember, look for these numbers. The numbers tell you what assignment you're on. So 0.1 is the lesson, and then 2 would be the second assignment in this lesson. 0.13 is the third assignment in this lesson, and so on and so forth. All right. From here, we have our lesson on what is force. Again, there were a few must-dos, aspire to do's, and so on. And then there's net force, and then there's force and gravity, force of friction. Again, watch out for all the assignments that are must-dos, should-dos, or aspire to do's. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you try to follow along with the suggested due dates. I'll try to give due dates for all the must-do assignments. Those are the ones that you must do, and I'll try to give you a suggested due date for those assignments. The other ones aren't necessarily required, so the date here will just say when it was posted, and that's pretty much it. Please make sure you stay on pace, do those must-do assignments before they are due. And that's it. Good luck.